Family, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Tonio. You guys, I'm super excited for this episode because I'm going to discuss what exactly affiliate marketing is, what are some of the best affiliate marketing websites, and then as well, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually drive traffic on autopilot to your affiliate offers and how you can actually really make money with affiliate marketing. So if you're excited, definitely thumbs up the video because I definitely believe affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online, especially if you don't want to worry about having customers or selling your own product or service. So again, to get value out of this video, thumbs it up and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, so you're probably wondering what exactly is affiliate marketing, and I want to read the definition to you now. So affiliate marketing is an advertising model in which a company pays others, i.e. bloggers, YouTubers like me, to advertise their products and service and generate sales. Affiliates place ads or market the products or services on their website, app, blog, and commissions are paid on leads that convert to sales. So essentially the easiest way to describe it is you just recommend products and services and you get paid on every sale of that product or service. And the reason why I love affiliate marketing so much is because you do not have to worry about customer service, customer support. Literally, all you have to do is get somebody to the website and the company does the rest. Okay. Now this model is very lucrative because there's no upfront cost to you, the advertiser. You don't have to worry about inventory, expenses, overhead, none of that. Literally all you have to do is recommend products and services. So this is a very easy way to start making money online right now. So now that you understand what exactly affiliate marketing is, you do want to sign up for affiliate marketing programs. Now there's two ways to do it. The first way is just checking out a product or service and just going to that website and seeing if they even offer an affiliate program. Now, I would say it's about 70% chance that they probably do offer an affiliate program. So what I always like to do, if there's a product or service that I genuinely love and I really like, I normally check at the bottom of their website just to see if they offer an affiliate program. And so for a lot of these programs, they do require some type of audience, whether they require a website or amount of followers or something like that. But just check and see. A lot of them are 100% free to sign up for, and they have very minimal requirements. So that's the first way. Now I will say that way is a little bit time consuming because you literally have to go to website after website. The second option that I think works a little bit better is using an affiliate network. Now, I'm a part of two affiliate networks, one being impact.com. So I really like impact.com because a lot of companies that I've worked with previously all joined up with Impact. So it's all under one umbrella, one roof. So they have a lot of affiliate programs that you can sign up for and companies that you can work with all under one umbrella. So that's nice. And 9 times out of 10, the affiliate program that you will sign up for on the website of your company probably works with an affiliate network. So it's just easy to see within your affiliate network what companies you can possibly qualify for. And again, they all have requirements. So impact.com is a really good one. ClickBank is a really good one as well. So that's very popular. I want to say ShareASale is a good one as well. Literally, you can type in affiliate networks on Google and a lot of them will pop up. So you really have to decide, what network is going to work best for your particular niche, but there is a lot of options. Now, another good one as well is Amazon. Amazon affiliate is a really good one to sign up for. Again, they have specific requirements as well, but definitely check them out because literally everybody uses Amazon. And the good thing about most of these affiliate programs, specifically Amazon, is that they cookie the links. Even if people don't actually buy the thing that you're offering, if they purchase anything from Amazon within 48 hours of clicking your link, you will get a commission for it. So I really, really like Amazon's affiliate program as well. All right, you guys, so now I want to explain to you how you can actually start making money right now with affiliate marketing and how to actually drive traffic to your affiliate links. Now, for the sake of time, I'm only going to go over organic strategies and not paid strategies, because if I talked about paid strategies, it's going to take forever, because then we have to talk about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, that type of stuff. And I don't want to go too deep and in depth right now. If you want me to make that video, I will. But for the sake of time, and because I think most of you guys are pretty new to affiliate marketing, we're only going to talk about organic strategies, okay? Now, the first strategy is just simply recommending your affiliate products to people that you know, right? Your current circle, your current audience. Now, depending on what type of products and services that you offer to them, right? This can be very hit or miss. That's why having and building a tribe and an audience already is so valuable. And to be honest with you guys, most affiliate networks and affiliate programs that you sign up for are already gonna, require you to have some type of audience. But let's just say, you don't really have a big audience at all. You only have like 100 people. Still recommend your products and services, because you never know, okay? So that is the first way. The second way is through content marketing, which I think is one of the best ways to drive traffic to your, affiliate offers. And it can be very passive depending on what social media network you are using. And so one way that I like to do it, I use YouTube, but you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, Twitter. I've seen work very, very well for content marketing, for affiliate marketing as well. I know I keep saying all these type of marketings, but I'll explain it, right? So YouTube is the second largest search engine, and people go on YouTube every day looking for certain things, right? I think how to tie a tie is one of the most viewed videos on YouTube. So I want to paint this picture for you, right? So let's just say, I know it's Thanksgiving tomorrow, right? You're trying to learn how to brine a turkey. That's one of like the biggest Google searches right now if you look up Google Trends, right? So let's just say I make that video and I explain to you, I use this type of, pot and pan. I use this type of oil. I use this type of seasoning. And then I give you links to those exact seasonings and ingredients and cookware that I used on Amazon, right? You click the link, you buy it, right? I make a sale from it, right? And every time someone searches how to cook a turkey, they're gonna see my video and they're gonna see these links and they're gonna buy it from me if they're interested in making the turkey just like I did. You see how that works? Now, obviously, it works better in certain niches, like tech reviews do very, very well, right? Unbox Therapy probably makes bank from recommending products and services and putting in an affiliate link. I know, Graham Stephan does very, very well with affiliate marketing, and he does stocks and he promotes Republic, I believe. That's an affiliate link. So every niche has different affiliate programs, and all you have to do is create content around the affiliate network or affiliate offer that you're trying to create content for. And that is it. It's very, very simple. And again, it can be very passive because people are going to be searching this information year after year after year. And as long as you have affiliate links in the video, you will be making money from it on autopilot. Now, another way to do it, right, even if you don't want to create YouTube content, is on Twitter or Instagram, right? So I know it's the holiday season. A lot of people are letting people know about different products and services and deals that Amazon has, right, on Twitter. So that is a really cool way, just informing people like, hey, a PS5 is back in stock in Amazon, you'll make a small commission from it, right? Or this camera's super dope. You let people know on Twitter, right? There's full pages that only do affiliate marketing on Twitter. And I know they make bank, right? TikTok is dope, right? So you can showcase, different restaurants and showcase different equipment and all that stuff. And then all they have to do is click the link in your bio, sign up and purchase it. So all the strategies are, all kind of the same, but you just have to figure out what works best for you. All right, you guys, so I hope this answered all the questions for you when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, just comment them in the comments down below. And if you haven't checked out my last video, check out my last video as well. Until next time, be easy.